Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to do yourself garden beds. So they're not going to be raised garden beds because I have enough soil under there. So you can see a little bit all the equipment I have. I have pieces of wood that are like 10 feet long and a little bit more 5 feet and something more large. So I'm going to do like 2 big ones and after maybe a small one there. And this is kind of all the equipment there I'm going to need for that. So I'll show you step by step how this is going to work. So now I've put the 2 planks here forming an angle of 90 degrees. So I've put another plank under to have a kind of level there. I'm going to hold it there at the same time, and I'm gonna put a screw inside there in the wood. So I'm using those deck screws there, using rocks to hold it at the same time so it's easier. If you're alone, all by yourself. So now let's have a look how it goes. So that one went in pretty good. We're going to do the second one now. Put it under. So I'm going to have to hold it again here. Right straight. Oop, that didn't work. Do it again. That's why you're doing it yourself. Put it kind of straight here. Hold. And we could probably put another one there for sure, right in the middle. So make sure it's not going to move too much. Right here. Okay, not bad. First start. We'll see after how we do the others. So as you can see here, the soil is not really level there, so I'm putting the plank of wood there. I try to level by adding up like a couple of pieces of wood there and blocking with the rock here. Just put the screws in there so it's straight, but the plank of wood is not completely straight, so it's not going to be perfect, but at least you can do it yourself. So now let's put the screws in there. So I'll put the one on the top here. There's one in. Another one on the bottom there. Not in the nut. Hey. And we'll put another one in the middle there. Right there. Perfect. So you can see it's kind of good here. Looking good. Okay, this side is pretty good here, so we're going to put the first screw in. Here we go. Ooh, the screw is broken. So here we go, first screw. Right in here. There you go. One on the bottom. The center here. Perfect. We'll put another one in the middle.
Excellent.
Now let's look at this plank of wood here. It's curved a little bit. So I don't know what happened during the time I kept it there, but it started to curve, so it's okay. I'm still going to use it there. It's just a garden bed. We don't want to be perfect. It's to have better vegetables. So I'm going to make it work. So now we got our garden bed. First one here I've ever done. So as we can see over there, I will have to level the soil. So it's kind of straight here because the land is kind of going down. But that's fine, I don't care. It's a garden. It's a vegetable garden. We're not at Buckingham Palace. And even though on this side here, the plank of wood, it's not really straight there, well, we still have this nice garden bed. Perfect. Now I have to level and fill up with soil.